Thinking about buying your first drone, but not sure which one is actually beginner-friendly? Some drones look amazing online, but end up being difficult to fly or disappointing in real life. So please watch this full video, because by the end, you'll know which drone is the best overall choice for beginners in 2026. Whether you want a drone for travel videos, YouTube content, photography, or just fun flying, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right one. I'll cover real performance, key features, and the biggest advantages of each drone. Let's start the countdown from number 10. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Number 10. GPS Drone 4K UHD. Starting our list is this entry-level GPS drone with a 4K UHD camera designed for beginners who want basic aerial photography without spending too much. It offers 1,640-foot control range, auto return home, follow me mode, and a 3-axis gimbal, helping new pilots capture stable videos. Review highlights. This drone is simple to operate and provides stable flight thanks to GPS positioning. It's a great starter drone for learning basic controls and aerial photography. Pros: beginner-friendly flight controls, 4K UHD camera with stabilized footage, auto return home for safety, good value for first-time drone users. Number 9. GPS Drone with EIS. Next is a compact beginner drone with a built-in screen controller, which makes flying easier without relying heavily on your phone. It includes EIS image stabilization, auto return, follow me mode, and up to 45 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Review highlights. The built-in display simplifies the flying experience, making it ideal for beginners and younger users who want a simple plug-and-play drone. Pros: built-in screen controller, EIS stabilized 4K camera, lightweight foldable design, good flight time with dual batteries. Number 8. GPS Drone with 4K HD. This lightweight drone offers FPV flying with a 4.5-inch display on the controller, making it easy to monitor footage while flying. It also features auto return, follow me mode, and beginner-friendly flight controls. Review highlights. With its simple setup and stable flight performance, this drone is great for beginners who want an easy entry into aerial photography. Pros: built-in display controller, easy flight controls for beginners, lightweight under 250 grams, decent camera quality for casual videos. Number 7. GPS Brushless Motor. This foldable drone includes brushless motors, 4K camera, GPS auto return, tap fly, and circle fly modes, making it a solid mid-level beginner drone. Review highlights. The brushless motors provide smoother and quieter flight compared to cheaper models, improving both stability and durability. Pros: brushless motor for better durability, follow me and circle fly modes, lightweight and portable, great beginner learning drone. Number 6. Holystone HS175G. The Holystone HS175G is a well-known beginner drone featuring GPS positioning, 4K EIS camera, auto return home, and up to 60 minutes of total flight time. Review highlights. Holystone drones are popular for their reliability and beginner-friendly controls. This model offers stable flight and good camera performance for the price. Pros: reliable GPS flight system, long battery life, stable 4K EIS camera, easy to fly for beginners. Number 5. SKYROVER X1. The SKYROVER X1 is a lightweight drone packed with features like 4K video, 8K photo capture, and an impressive 50,000-foot transmission range. It also includes 3 batteries for up to 96 minutes of flight time. Review highlights. This drone stands out with its long flight time and strong transmission range, making it great for outdoor exploration and travel footage. Pros: extremely long flight time, high-resolution photo capability, lightweight under 249 grams, excellent transmission range. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Moving into premium territory, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a flagship drone with a 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera, tri-camera system, and up to 51 minutes of flight time. Review highlights.
Although designed more for professionals, its advanced obstacle sensing and intelligent flight features make it surprisingly approachable. Pros: professional Hasselblad camera system, advanced obstacle avoidance, long flight time, professional video capabilities. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the most popular beginner drones thanks to its 4K camera, vertical shooting capability, and ultra-lightweight design under 249 grams. With the Fly More combo, you get 3 batteries for up to 114 minutes of total flight time. Review highlights. It's incredibly easy to fly while still producing cinematic footage, making it a favorite for travel vloggers and content creators. Pros: excellent 4K camera quality, vertical shooting for social media, lightweight travel-friendly design, long flight time bundle. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes beginner drones to the next level with 4K HDR video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and the RC2 controller with built-in screen. This drone combines professional features with beginner-friendly controls, making it perfect for creators who want high-quality footage without complicated flying. Pros: omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, stunning 4K HDR video, smart tracking features, lightweight under 249 grams. Number 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Taking the top spot is the DJI Mini 5 Pro, one of the most advanced beginner drones available. It features a 1-inch CMOS camera, active track 360, obstacle sensing, extended battery life, and 4K video capture, delivering professional quality results in a compact design. Review highlights. This drone offers the perfect balance of powerful camera performance, intelligent flight features, and beginner-friendly controls. Pros: large 1-inch camera sensor, advanced tracking features, exceptional video quality, best balance of power and ease of use. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out. As promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, flight stability, smart features, battery life, and ease of use, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus stands out as the best beginner drone you can buy in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.